Good morning, guys. Um, I just have a little say. Like, I wake up this morning because the kind of person who meds deep. Think about people a lot. Think how life can be better for our people. Um, this morning I lay down in the bed and I think about some of my friends them boy work so hard. I've been there too, but I decide not to do that kind of work. I mean, I can't, but before now, I did decide that I can't do 2 and 3 of those jobs. It's not easy to work 2 and 3 hard jobs. I have friends who complain every day about back. When it's not back, is whatever. Okay, so we leave a country and we come here for a better life. But that doesn't mean say you're gonna kill yourself in a 2 and 3 hard jobs. There is so much other choices that you have and that you can make. I'm just amazed this morning and say side hustle. So you have one of them full-time job there, right? 8 hours. Them job they hard. When you leave work, you can just go do one side hustle or do something where you love and make it becomes a business of yours. You're not gonna leave your 9 to 5 until you see say things progress and you don't need the 9 to 5 anymore. So do it on the side and grow something for yourself. That is the priority. Do something for yourself. But side hustles, right? There is 5 of them where me I look on if you drive. Where people can do to make a little side hustle. I have friends who do Uber Eats. Uber Eats are number 1. Them make $200, over $200. Start out in the morning, 7, 8 o'clock. Finish by 2, 3 o'clock. 7 days a week. The less they make, them say them make is 200. It either more. Them not make less. Them not want make less than 200 a day. That is Uber Eats. Now, the pandemic, more people they home order food online. Uber Eats hype you now. So that is something where you can look into if you have a car. DoorDash, Instacart. Them 3 there. Okay, so with Instacart, you just pick up whatever people order online. You have the app, you go in at the supermarket, you pick up what them order and you drop it off and you get good tip on that. You choose what you want to do. So you leave your 9 to 5, you can go hustle one of them thing. DoorDash, same way. Okay. Lyft or Uber. Alright, now at the pandemic and some people don't want nobody in them car. So fine. Them 3 there, when we call out before, Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Instacart, at least you work off of your own free will. You can go home and see a harder way, pay a little more than what it normally pay. And you jump on it. You just go pick up the 2 things and, Uber Eats, you pick up the food and you drop it off. That at the least, that's no strain on your back. So them hustling there, it better than when you have 2 and 3 hard jobs, like really hard jobs. You can make 200 extra evening time before you cycle, time yourself, fee how you would normally do the other hard job. So get up this morning and I think about it, but the main thing is to have something where you can leave your kids them assets. Assets, not liability. Not a car for leave your kids them. Assets for leave for your children them. Leave generation wealth. Build up a little business where you know say when you're gone, your kids them will inherit it and your family. Leave a mark on this land. We don't have to leave the country and come here because we want a better life. And work 2 and 3 hard jobs and kill ourselves before time. That is what I get a lot of us sick. Some of them workplace here have some kind of sitting in the way you inhale every day and I get you sick right there in them environment there. So when you get out and you're in your car, you do 2 Uber, you wind down your window, you get some fresh air. You go do Instacart, you do some exercise. You don't even need gym when you do Instacart, DoorDash. You get in and out of your car, up and down, get your body active. Then you leave this whole heap of things, whole heap of everywhere, and I broke off your back. That is my belief. Say there is so much what we can do for better our life, and we not have it. And look around we good. Look on the color of our skin. You see it? We work very hard for what we want. Black people work 10 times harder. But that doesn't mean say we have to continue work 10 times harder. We need to use our brains and think out of the box and work smart and not hard. Guys, think with our brain. That's why some people say we don't have no brain for business, but we need to change that. We need to change it. So, tell me what you think. If what me say a while ago just makes sense, tell me in the comment section below. Bye, guys. Because doing 2 and 3 of those jobs just going put me down very early, just like my grandparents. So before it reach right here, so where it is now, where definitely me can't do it anymore. Before that, I did decide say I'm not going to do that to myself. I'm not going to do it. Do 2 and 3 of those jobs. No. I'm sorry. I'm not, because that's it. You have to choose. You have to choose. Because who's gonna take care of you? You. Nobody else. Not one more person going to take care of you but you. Okay, so you if you drive, if you don't drive, you can't drive. Tell yourself so you can drive. You can get a car. You can get a car. Once you have credit in this place, nothing not impossible. Build your credit, grow your credit, and go take out a car. The same money where you work, $200, $150 at evening time after work, Uber Dash, Uber Eats, that money can pay for your car, so you can have your car to go anywhere where you want to go. So you put yourself in that determination. It pay your car payment, it pay your insurance. Because look on it that way there. So you make $150 every evening. You make that every evening. Right? You pay $150 for insurance a month time. You get a car for about $4,000 or $5,000. You pay about $200 a month time for that. A month, you know. You pay, you buy gas. Call it say you buy $50 worth of gas some one time, right? What else? Anything to the car maintenance, you gotta have money aside for that, but you still don't reach $1,000 for the month, and you can't make more than $1,000 for the week. So a lot of people don't want to buy a car because it's so much responsibility. But a simple thing like Uber Eats can make you go take out a car. Because as I say, I have friends who do Uber Eats. Fee $200 one time. So that is no excuse for you can't relax yourself, drive around and go drop off some food. No excuse. You can't make money on it. So instead of going broke off your back and do all this heavy lifting and everything, you can do some side hustle for your second job. You know what I mean? Get a car, take it out, trust it, and take time to pay for it. That's how it's supposed to go. You don't have to use your cash money and buy it, because you will finish pay for them. Give you 4 years to finish pay for it. Up to 6 years. Me not pay for it so long. Not when me would have owed so much money a week time. If me ever owe that $1,400 a week, me pay for that the car there in a no time. Less than 6 months. So you know, you don't have to think about car payment after you done pay it off. Just hurry up and pay it off, because when you hurry up and pay it off, guess what? You don't have that big interest to pay. So think about what I say and tell me in the comment section what you think. I'm going to add this to my next video. Bye guys.
It's William Jones in on the beat.
Money Latin low, money Latin la. Money believe, make my jawe ola. Money Latin low, money Latin la.